Hello, investors and traders. People often talk about stocks like Pidilite or Bajaj Finance, how they have been multi-baggers over the last few years and have delivered stunning returns. But have you ever encountered a good stock which has not given any returns for years together? It is because you entered in a right stock but at a wrong time. These stocks may have been excellent choices, but they go through phases of accumulation which we may fail to identify. Accumulation of stocks refers to the process where investors gradually increase their holdings in a particular stock over time. This strategy involves buying shares incrementally rather than purchasing a large number of shares all at once. The goal is to build a significant position in the stock without causing a sudden increase in price. And this period can last from some weeks to even some years. But when this period of accumulation is over, there is a significant uptrend in the stock's price, leading to more and more investors buying it, and ultimately it will result in higher demand and higher price. Let us get into some examples. This is the monthly chart of PFC. As you can see, in August 2009, the price of PFC was 97, and in August 2022 also the price of PFC was 97. That means PFC did not give any returns for 13 years, but once it got out of the range, it gave 200% return in 1 year only. Another such stock is Godfrey Phillips. Godfrey gave no returns for 7 years. From 2015 to 2022, it stayed there in the price band of around 1400 to 1470. But once it broke out, it gave 190% returns in just 1 year. One more example is the stock Gravita. Gravita gave no returns for 9 years, but once it came out of this consolidation zone or the accumulation zone, it moved to 470% in just 2.5 years. And the last example, you can see the monthly chart of Cupid. This is a classic penny stock case which moved from 16 rupees to 140 rupees in just 1 year of breakout. So what we could learn is that we need not get into traps of accumulation zone and then wait for years when the stock does not have any momentum at all. We should look to get into stocks which have just come out of accumulation. Again, it is always easy to look back into history and analyze, but do we have any such stock which we can get into now? Do comment if you want to know about such a stock where you can invest and experience a profound sense of accomplishment. It is all about entering into a right stock, but more importantly, at the right time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.